Work is a pain in the apps. My files are in this app. My chat's in this app. Projects in that app. Oh!
Wow. You're really working your apps off, Daniel. You need ClickUp. ClickUp is the AI-powered work platform that unifies your entire team and all your tools together in one place. No, not like that. No. It's a single place for your projects and docs, whiteboards and dashboards, calendars and chat. So your work goes from scattered to seamless. Plus, you get a fleet of AI agents to help you move at warp speed to get more done. This is the future of work. With ClickUp, it's like having your own assistant.
ClickUp, what should I focus on today? Okay, schedule time to work on these tasks.
I want an assistant.
We've been over this, Greg. Before ClickUp, your work apps couldn't talk to each other. With ClickUp, a project can go from a whiteboard to a doc to a task to your team's chat. That's because all your work tools speak the same language. Unlike you and the night cleaner.
Bullshit!